This is a 386SX motherboard I didn't even realise I had. I've already taken the battery out, but if you see there very closely, let's see if we can get focus on it. If you see there, did I get to it in time? I guess is probably the next question. And I'm beginning to think maybe I didn't. Maybe I should test it. So here's that 386SX25 board. Will it power up? I'm not sure if it even will. Let's see. Yeah, of course, because there's no CMOS battery in it, but holy cow. I need to get DOS loaded on here to make this a DOScember video. Oh, it's 33 megahertz. I don't know why I thought it was 25. Oh no, it is 233 when I look on the thing. Okay, well, I don't have a drive A. Now I believe this BIOS is one of them highfalutin auto detect thingies for hard drives. Yes it does. No it doesn't. No, here we go, yeah, auto detect hard disk. There we go. It's not detected, that's interesting. That was the sketchy controller card from the 286. Or but I tried the 286 and it was a bit misbehaving, so maybe the controller's dickered, I don't know, but I'll try another slot and see how we go. Okay, I've changed the slot and we'll try the auto detect again for the hard drive. Still not detecting. Okay, so I've replaced the controller card with another controller card and now I'm not getting any video. Lovely. What I might do is I might try some of the other ISA VGA cards that I have and see if they work without a controller, because if I've got some more working, known good working VGA cards, that's going to be a big help. So how's this big chungus going to go? Oh, input signal out of range. That's interesting. Is this only like a 15 kilohertz VGA card or something? Okay, it's not liking that graphics card either, but again I don't know if the graphics card's cactus or if it's the something else going on, so I might try another slot. The classic vintage computer thing where if at first you don't succeed, try another slot. There's some very odd, yeah, a little bit glitchy, the picture, probably can't see it, but yeah, you know, let's try auto detecting the hard disk. Still not detecting that hard disk. As a sanity check of sorts, I'll put this Type 17 drive back in, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the BIOS really nicely if it can auto detect. No, it cannot auto detect. How about I try forcing Type 17 again and see what happens? Oh, it still says Type 17. Okay, well, right to the non-existent CMOS and exit. Wonder why it's only showing 3.7 megs out of a 4 megs. But that's another story for another day. Well, this is progress of sorts. That controller card's now hanging now that I've moved it across by a slot. Let's see how we go by moving it across another slot. These two are getting quite into Mont now. Who knows? Maybe they like being close to each other, maybe they don't. Yeah, I think I know what the answer's going to be. Well, the good news is I've got VGA cards coming out the Gooner. The bad news is I don't have too many more controller cards, disc controller cards. I also want to make a DOScember video, damn it, how hard can it be? Another video card, this one's a Seng Labs. Still doesn't like that controller by the looks of things. I might try swapping out the controller again. Actually, there's a point, I don't even know if that card works, the video card, so why don't I try it without the controller? Well, that video card might have gone poopy in its trousers. I don't know. probably not going to bin that one because there might be parts off it I can harvest or possibly even replace to make it work. But that's another story for another day. This is the last of my VGA video cards to test out. This one actually has jumpers on it. Not jumpers, what are those other things called? Switches. So even if it doesn't work, I can't necessarily say that it's a dud. All it means is I've got to test it another day. Well, no, okay, it's clearly not a dud. Awesome. But of course there's no controller card in there, that's not a big deal. That's interesting. Maybe the problem isn't with the controller, maybe the hard drive's just not getting enough power to it. Sounded like it was just stopped for no good reason then. I'll try plugging in a different source. Okay, we've got graphics, we have mismatches, which is all fine by me. We've got a barking doggo. We're still not auto-detecting the hard drive. I might put in a slightly newer hard drive which is perhaps more hip to the whole auto-detect jive. Yeah, I've popped the Western Digital 850 back on this one, in cable select mode I do believe. Hey, it auto-detected. Okay. I'm not liking this. Ah, okay. Oh, God. Will it work this time? It did! What have I learnt? I've learnt that this 386SX board, which I thought may not see the light of day again, is working. But it's going to want a bit of fixing until it's working really, really good. I've also found that these, obviously, well, not so much found, but reaffirmed the good old days of cards not always playing nice with one another. It's not much, but hey, it's December, so yeah, close enough. Till next time, see you later.